O yan, gaya ng sinabi ko, by Monday o itong week na to, nandun na tayo sa derivative na ginagamit sa business at saka sa economic. So, at saka dun sa quantitative techniques. So, nandito na tayo sa marginal cost derivative. So, alam naman natin is yung marginal cost is defined as yung cost of producing an additional unit of a product. So, yun yung cost mo kapag ka magpo-produce ka pa ng isang unit, additional unit ng isang product. So, kukunin mo lang yung first derivative ng cost function. So, yun. Nandito yung pagkuha ng actual na marginal cost, yung long at saka yung mismong shortcut or yung using of the derivative. Kasi yung shortcut nun is taking the derivative, yung cost function. Pero yung long method nun, yung isa-substitute mo yung values. Pa-plug in mo yung number of units dun sa cost function, and then iso-subtract mo yung producing 106 units, producing 105 units. So, kunin mo muna yung cost ng 106, then yung 105, then kung ano yung value nun, iso-subtract mo. Yung makukuha mong sagot is halos kapareho din nung makukuha mong pag kinuha mo yung derivative ng cost function. Sinorkat mo, ibig sabihin mas mabilis kung kukunin mo yung derivative ng cost function. So, ito yung sinasabi na kapiranggot na calculus sa business and economics. So, yun lang po.